hi everyone, just diving into Cardano. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. Really do appreciate everything you do to contribute towards growth of CoinsKid here. If I could meet you in the street and buy you a beer, I would do. I know you have a really good weekend. Yeah, and stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly, stay tuned. And thank you for being a member of the Telegram group. Thank you to all the admins in there, and thank you for the Patreon supporters as well, which is golden. Thank you very much. Cheers. All the links to everything's in the video description. Every single video that we make, there's a link in the video description there. I get a lot of comments saying, "Oh, where do I get into this and where do I get into that?" It's basically a section on CoinsKid.com where you can go, and all the links are there and the information and everything that for the Telegram group and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, diving in then. Cardano, it's looking relatively strong. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you, it is looking relatively strong, but what you do need to see, especially on the 4-hourly time frame here, like we outlined yesterday, you do have our targets. Okay, so this level here is a level of resistance as created for Cardano by going down, coming back up, creating that level of resistance. Now it's coming back up, it's starting to approach it again. Okay, but what you do need to see is it not hit its head on this yellow line, which is a 20 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame, because if it continues to do that and fails to get through it, you're going to come back down and you're going to retest this level here. And like I said to you, if you lose that level, you're going to come down to this particular swing low here. Okay, so you can't afford to do that. So you've got all that in mind, right? Because if it does come down from this point, now that's a further 27% correction. Okay, now we are anticipating a bit of a pullback on Bitcoin. It is picking up, it is trying to fight, okay, but we are anticipating that 20 weekly EMA retest for Bitcoin, and we are also expecting it for Cardano. Full transparency at all times. I've been telling you for weeks now that Cardano potentially needs that EMA retest, and you want to see that in a bull market. And I want to confirm to you as well, we are in a bull market because you've got projects that are still pumping. Okay, you've got XMR, you've got Doge, you've got Sol, various projects that are still pumping. There's always confluence with the fact that you are still in a bull market, and what's happening is those particular projects, i.e. Cardano, they've got really overextended from weekly EMAs and are looking for that support. Okay, so there's your weekly EMA, that yellow line. Look where it is now. When I first took Cardano on, the yellow line were down here. Okay, the yellow line, I'm not even joking, refer back to the first ever video I did on Cardano. Your yellow line were down here, Cardano was up here. Really overbought. Okay, massively overbought. All the signals, your RSI was up here, and the MACD was crazily overbought. It got that far overextended that it's looked for this level of consolidation, this retest of support. You can see it's not quite tested it yet, so I would anticipate that if you fail to get through that level of resistance, which we're targeting on the 4-hourly, then come to your weekly time frame, because I do think that this would actually save you. Okay, if it was to roll over and you lost to 0.98, do anticipate that you could come down and wick off this yellow line for support, because that's what it does. Look, when it went bullish here, bullish cross, started the bull market for Cardano, boom, up it went. Look what it does, it back tested its support, it doesn't fall through the EMAs. Like I said to you, if you come down and you're starting to lose the EMAs and you're rolling through them, end of the bull market. That's your big signal. Sell and go to the beach, basically. Okay, and wait for the next signal, this signal, buy and go to the beach. So right now, just want to reassure you, healthy. It's looking for that level of consolidation, in my opinion. It's looking for that back test of support on the weekly. So do keep an eye on this. If it fails now to keep getting through this, it will contribute to the downtrend, and it will contribute towards that test of the weekly EMA on the weekly time frame there. Okay, that yellow line. That's your 20 EMA. It's called an exponential moving average. All you do is go to indicators, okay, and then you search EMA like that, drop it in, moving average exponential, drop it in, and then you just change the value like this. Look, change the value. Where are we? Wrong one. Go to the cog like that, change the length to 20 and click OK, and then change your style. You've got different colors and stuff like that, and you can drop it in, and then that's it. It pops up, but mine's yellow. Okay, let's drop that out. Mine's yellow. So again, it applies to every single time frame. This is a 24-hourly moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, and at the minute it's resistance. See that? Boom, 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 boom. Resistance. Can't get through it. That's why the EMAs are so important, because they're a signal of which way you're going. You broke them, so you're going down. You break them to come back up, so you're going up. Do you see that? And as long as you're back testing the support, you're golden for uptrend. When you back test them as resistance, you're golden for a downtrend, basically. So the more you continue to hit your head on this yellow line here, okay, the less you're going to continue to go up and attack that high and form this WW bottom that we're anticipating for Cardano. Because if we can get that and attack that high there, boom, you've got that lovely little pump as outlined in yesterday's video. And that particular pump right now, from that particular level of resistance resistance is a nice little 14% pump, and like I said to you, that will bring you back up into this ascending triangle just here, okay, and that'll be golden for continuation. But my personal outlook is, I'm not going to lie to you, that we are looking for this retest of the 20. So the further you continue to do something like this, the more you're going to come down. It looks bad, but I want to reassure you that all it's doing is looking for that 20 EMA retest. You get it, you're golden from continuation. Look at any bull market, okay, look at Bitcoin in 2015 to 2017, early 2018, multiple touches, as I've outlined in many videos, okay, multiple touches on that weekly for continuation. That's why we are still in a bull market. And just check out my Bitcoin video the other day. Bitcoin's going to 200k, okay. I'll have a little side bet with you. Bitcoin is going to 200k. People think I'm mad, but it's just the charts do not lie, basically. The charts do not lie. So that's basically what I think everything's looking for, and that's my honest opinion, that things have got overextended and they're looking for that weekly EMA retest especially. And instead of collapsing, instead of going down there into oblivion, they're just rolling over. And it's weird how it works. Don't ask me how it works. It's human psychology. That's what drives markets, okay? Human emotion, nothing else. Not news, not this, not that, not FUD. It's basically human emotion drives markets, and that's why you can see it's sideways, boring, flat. Get that retest confirmation, boom, away we go. So that's Cardano. Right now, you've got a couple of trades in here. If you continue to hit your head on this yellow line, yeah, do anticipate you will pull back from it, and you will potentially be looking at that short position down there, 13%. Now, if you do lose that particular level, okay, do anticipate. Bring up your weekly and look where the EMA is, because I will put some cheeky bids in down there on the weekly 20 EMA, because you will 100% get a wick bounce off that, okay? So that's basically Cardano. And again, if you do break this particular level of resistance, it's $1.17. Look for that nice little long opportunity there, okay? But I do expect it to come up there and possibly roll over, and because I do think it's looking for the 20 test, to be honest with you. So that's basically Cardano. Take care. Please stay strong, and most importantly, stay tuned. And thank you for everything you do to contribute towards the growth of CoinsKid here. Really do appreciate it. Have a really good day. Catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.